Suppose you are asked to list in order of preference the 3 best movies you have seen this year. If you saw 20 movies during the year, in how many ways can the 3 best be chosen and ranked? So we need to decide if this is a permutation or a combination. And it's going to be a permutation because there's something that distinguishes the positions that we are trying to fill. Meaning it asks in how many ways can the 3 best be chosen and ranked. There's a difference between being ranked first place and being ranked second or third place. So it has to be a permutation. So we have 20 movies total, and we are selecting 3 of them. So that's going to be 6,840. Now, because it's a permutation, you could solve it the other way, but you don't have to. Meaning you could take 20 times 19 times 18, and you would get the same thing. Again, you can only do that for permutations.